Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add expenses in FreeAgent. We'll begin on the FreeAgent overview dashboard, which is your home base for all your bookkeeping. From here, look along the top navigation for the expenses option. It's usually grouped with other day-to-day features like banking and contacts. When you see expenses, go ahead and click it to open the dedicated expenses area. This section shows your existing claims and gives you the controls to add new ones, so it's the perfect place to keep everything tidy and consistent. On the expenses page, head to the top right of the screen and open the Add New dropdown. This is where you start creating a fresh entry. Once the form opens, take a moment to get oriented. You'll see several fields, and we're going to focus on the key ones so your expense is classified correctly and shows up in reports the way you expect. First, choose the type. This tells FreeAgent how to treat the expense behind the scenes. Pick the option that best matches how the cost was incurred. Selecting the correct type helps with reimbursement, tax treatment, and where the expense lands in your accounts, so it's worth getting right. Next, select the category. Think of this as the label that groups similar costs together, like travel, meals, software, or office supplies. Choose the category that most closely matches the nature of the expense. Consistent categorization makes your profit and loss cleaner and makes it easier to spot trends. If you're unsure, use the option that most accurately reflects the purpose of the purchase and keep it consistent in future entries. Now set the dated field. Use the date on the receipt or the date the expense was actually incurred rather than when you're entering it. Accurate dates ensure the expense falls into the correct accounting period and lines up with your bank statements and reports. Then select the currency. If the purchase was made in your home currency, leave it as is. If it was in a foreign currency, choose that currency here. FreeAgent will handle the conversion based on the date, which helps keep your records accurate without manual calculations. Once you've reviewed your selections and everything looks good, click Create New Expense to save it. Take a quick second to double-check the details before you submit. Clean entries now save time during month-end and year-end reviews. And that's it. You've navigated to expenses, started a new entry, set the type, chosen the category, added the date, picked the currency, and saved your expense.